Hello everyone. So welcome back again. So the second class. Last class we discussed few basic things about the real numbers. What are real numbers? Okay. What are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational number, irrational number. Okay, all these together. What do we call? And Euclid division lemma. Okay. Now today class is about terminating and non-terminating. What is the class? Terminating and non-terminating. So terminating. What is the meaning of terminating? Terminating means where the division end. Means we can see somewhere the division will be end. So there is a limit. Means that is called as a terminating. And non-terminating where the division continues, means there is no end for the division, that is called as non-terminating. Okay, so what I said, terminating and non-terminating. Terminating means what? Where the division end, and non-terminating means what? Where the division doesn't end or else it continues. Okay, right. So let us see with a few examples, then we understand what is terminating, what is non-terminating, and it is very important to you. Around 2 to 3 marks we can see in our 10th class SSC exams. So very important and very simple. So what is terminating, what is non-terminating, with a few examples let me understand. Okay, right. So 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So let us see now. 3 by 2 means 3 is dividing by 2. Okay, or else 13 you can take any example. So 13 is dividing by 2. Now 13 dividing by 2. 2 table. So nearest 13 we know very well. And 2 6 are 12. It's a 3 minus 2. It's a 1. So 1 minus 1 0. So 1. It is less. So put the point. Then we can take the 0. Now 2 5s are 10. So 10 minus 10, answer is 0. Here the 13 by 2 answer is 6.5, means we got the remainder is 0. So the division is ending. There is no more continue. Okay, so it is stopped by 6.5. The 13 by 2 answer is 6.5. Division is end, means the remainder is 0. So we can stop here. Now let us see one more example which regards non-terminating, right? So let us take now 13 by 3. 13 by 3, let us take the example. Okay, so let us divide 13 with the 3. Okay, nearest 13. So 3 4s are 12. So 13 minus 12, you are right exactly. So 1. So 1 is less. So let me go to the decimals. So the point we can take 0. So it's a 10. 3 3s are 9. So 1 again. So already we are in decimal. So we can take 0. Again 3 3s are 9. Again 1. So 0. 3 3s are 9. Minus 1. It continues. Are you seeing anywhere in? No. The remainder doesn't get the 0. So it's always 1 1 1. So the 4.33333 it occurs again 333, isn't it? Right. So what you understand here, the division is not ending. What you understand here, the division is end, means the remainder is 0, but the remainder is no 0. So that now here 13 by 3 is equal to 4.33333. It is equal to 4.3 bar. Okay, 4.3 bar, which is occurring again and again. Now let us see here, 13.2 is equal to 6.5. Here the division is ended. So it is called as terminating. And it is called as non-terminating. So I hope you understand terminating and non-terminating. So the simple concept, please understand. What is terminating, what is non-terminating. So if you understand, definitely you can get 2 marks. Okay, so write this. So 13 by 2 we have seen for the terminating and the non-terminating. We have seen examples. I will give you after the class few examples to do the homework. Okay, so please understand it. And this is which we are doing by the division method. Okay, what we learned from the beginning, that is what we have done here, division method. But without division also we can able to say whether it is terminating or not. What is that? Whether it is terminating or not. How we can say? Yes. So let us see, and this is called as actual division method, which is we are following that is actual division method, and now which we are going to learn is without actual division. So first we have to say whether it is terminating or not, then next we can find the decimal, but there is no more divisions. There is no more divisions. So ready guys? Okay. So now without actual division, without actual division. So without actual division, how we are going to do without actual division, right? So here the same thing. For example, p by q is any rational number, like any examples you take. So we have to concentrate on the denominator, where the denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. The simple concept is very simple, very simple. Just we have to observe the denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, means the factors must be either 2 or 5. Okay, either 2, okay, either 5, okay, or both, okay, okay. So anyhow, 2 and 5, except these any other numbers like 3 and 7 and 11, okay, so on 13 and so on. So we can say that is non-terminating. Okay, right. So let me observe now. It should have, the denominator should have either 2 or 5. Then what do we say? It is terminating. When the denominator is not in the form of 2 power m and 5 power n, then what do we say? It is non-terminating. Okay, so let us see one example, then you understand perfectly. Right. So any of that 13 by 8. So 13 by 8. Here we won't go through the division method. We have to check out the denominator. What is the denominator here? 8. So 8, how can we write? So 8 can be written by 2 into 2 into 2. So 2, 2, 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So therefore 13 by 2 power 3. 2 power 3. Yes. What is our target? Without division, 2 power m into 5 power n. The denominator should be in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Yes, it is in the form of 2 power m, isn't it? So it has only 2 as a factor. There is no other number. So undoubtedly we can say it is terminating. So what do we write here? The denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, therefore it is terminating. Okay, we can say we given the judgment here. When it is terminating, what is the decimal value? What is the decimal value? Isn't it? We said that is terminating, okay, but what is the decimal value of it? What is the answer? Right. So let us find now when it is terminating, we can find the answer. What is here? 13 by 8. 13 by 8, and which we have written as 13 by 2 power 3. Here the denominator, here it is any 5. 5 is not there. So 5 is not there means 5 power 0. 5 power 0 is 1. So that is we get the same answer. So here also what? 5 power 0. Here both factors should be equal number, means both the power should be same. Here 2, how many are there? 3, but 5 not there. So we have to make that 5 also should be equal. So that now what to do? 5 should be 0 here, but we should make it as 3. So we should multiply and divide by 5 power 3, numerator and denominator. So that 13 by 2 power 3 into 5 power 3 into 5 power 3. So 13 into 5 power 3 is nothing but 125 by 2 power 3 and 3 power 3. So there is 2 into 5 whole power 3. So 13 into 125. 13 into 125, what may be the answer? So once we check out 125 and 13, 5 is 65 and 13 2 is and 13 1 13 plus 3. So 1629. 1625 by 2 into 5 power 3. So it is very simple. No need to multiply 10, no 10 power 3. How much? That is simple. How many are there? 3. So directly you can write 1003 zeros. If it is 2, 2 zeros. If it is 1, 1 zero. If it is 4, 4 zeros. If it is 5, 5 zeros. If it is 6, 6 zeros. Okay? Right. So the simple way, now we can say 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros are there. So we can put 1, 2, 3. 1.625 is the answer. Okay guys? Very clear? So we have to say without actual division method. Are we did here a division method? No. What we just did here, whether it is terminating or not, how we can say we have the form denominator, the form must be in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Yes, it is in the form, so it is terminating. When it is terminating, what is the decimal value? So what is the decimal value? Here, what to do? Both 2 and 5 power should be equated. If 2 is less, multiply with 2. If 5 is less, multiply with 5. So when both the powers are equal, then we can say the answer. So I hope you have understand. It is without actual division method. Right, clear? Now I will give you some examples. Okay, so let you solve and send to me. Okay guys? Right, so what is the concept today? Only terminating and non-terminating, which is around 2 to 3 marks in your SSC exams. Right, I hope you have understand. Please write. So please find the decimal value of 13 by 7 by actual division method. So it should be done by actual division method, which we are did first. Okay, right. Second, find the decimal value of 17 by 30, 17 by you can take 20, 17 by 20, 17 by 20 without actual division method. So only just 2 problems guys, please 2 problems. Listen the class 15 minutes and just spend for 10 minutes for this. So half an hour this work should be done and it should be remember for you long time. Okay guys, right? I hope everyone will solve these 2 problems without any doubt and they can send me the answers. If you have any doubts, please contact and call me. I will clarify your doubts. Okay, right? So all the best.